Hey guys, today I'm standing in front of 6770 Solterra Vista Parkway, one of Carmel Valley's hottest new listings. Hey, I'm just a regular guy who lives, works, and plays here in Carmel Valley, and my goal is to share that information that I've got with you to make a good, informed buying decision. I'll take you for a walking tour today in and around the community. You have access to all the information about the property online and interior photos, so I'm going to show you what you can't see online. This property here at 6770 Solterra Vista Parkway, it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a modern layout, about 2602 square feet. I'm not going to bore you with information about the inside and stuff you can read online. What I want to talk about is the community. This property sits on Solterra Vista Parkway, which is an entrance and an exit to the community, but as you can see, it's not super used. The community center is just down the way here, right there on the corner. Here we are at the back of the property. And you can see there's an alleyway for access to the 3-car garage. What you might notice is in public record, there's a discrepancy between the number of garages and what's posted in the MLS. And the reason for that is the builder had an original upgrade option to convert this single-car garage into a living space on the interior. These folks thought it'd be more valuable when they purchased it and had it built to have that 3rd-car garage. I agree. The Solterra Swim Club is new in 2017, just like the community. And as you'd expect, everything is new and clean and pretty. We've got this beautiful little kids playground. We've got a nice big lounging area by the pool. Beautiful huge pool. We've got a little jacuzzi back in the corner there. Perfect to keep you cool in the summertime. So something that's not in the MLS is the 56 freeway. 56 freeway is very close to this community, so you have a constant ambient hum, just a kind of a city hum, I would say. Certainly not something that's intrusive in your life, that's going to affect the way that you use the outdoors, but certainly something worth considering and being aware of as you head into this area to see this home. Something also well worth discussing is the taxes and the Mello-Roos. What is Mello-Roos? Mello-Roos is a bond that's taken out by the county in order to cover a lot of the infrastructure costs associated with building a community that wasn't on the original general plan for the city. So I went ahead and pulled up the tax bill for this community and this property in specific. So that total then comes up to basically $22.80 per month, or if you pay the payments along with your county tax bill, that comes to $13,685 twice per year. The 3 main schools for this property are Pacific Sky Elementary, Pacific Trails Middle School, and then also optionally Torrey Pines. Pacific Sky is rated 10 out of 10, Pacific Trails is rated 9 out of 10, and Torrey Pines is 9 out of 10. In 3 minutes, I walked from the property to Pacific Sky School, the elementary close by in this community. Brand new, opened in 2022. Right here next to Pacific Sky Elementary is access to an open space. This is the Del Mar Mesa Preserve. If you're a hiker or a mountain biker, you can head down about 3.5 miles this way off to the left. There's a trail that'll take you to the Penasquitos Creek Falls. As far as services and convenience goes, the property is located 1.8 miles to the Pacific Highlands Ranch Village, which is full of shops and restaurants, plenty of options to choose from there. Shopping's at Trader Joe's, and then there's all sorts of restaurants from Panera to Pacific Social. If you're making a trek to the freeway, it's 2.6 miles to the closest on-ramp. I hope this information is helpful in your home search. It's my mission to share my knowledge to help you make a good choice so you can live life your best. At the link here, you can schedule a private tour and find lots of helpful information, including an up-to-date market analysis, more school info, and also about the community, and so much more. It's all assembled by your Carmel Valley resident and expert, me, Jack.